Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance US to TradingView. First, ensure you have an active Binance US account and a TradingView Premium subscription. This guide will walk you through the entire process from generating your API keys on Binance US to securely integrating them into your TradingView platform. Get ready to streamline your trading experience with this powerful connection. Now, let's generate those crucial API keys on Binance US. Log into your account and navigate to the API Management section under Security Settings. Click Create New API and label it clearly, perhaps TradingView. Remember to set the permissions carefully, typically allowing only read info and enable spot and margin trading if you plan to trade. Copy both the API key and secret key immediately, as the secret key is shown only once. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially during those intense trading sessions. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your API keys ready, head over to TradingView. On the bottom panel, click Trading Panel and then find Binance US in the list of available brokers. Click Connect and a pop-up will appear. Carefully paste your API key into the designated field and then your secret key. Confirm the connection and you should see your Binance US account linked, ready for seamless trading directly from TradingView.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.